Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you how to accept my video request from your email and how to get to the link. So I'm always going to email it to you. I think it's the best way, and you'll get it in your inbox and you'll see invitation video chat with your child's name, and it's going to be from my Hackettstown email. So you're going to scroll down here, make sure I have the right time and the right day, and you're just going to hit yes. If it doesn't work with your schedule, make sure you message me. So that goes right to me. I will be able to see that you accepted the request. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click this link when it is your child's time. So if I have you scheduled for Wednesdays at 2, on Wednesday at 2 o'clock, you're going to open up this email and click this link. And then it will bring you to this page. And that's where you're going to join. You're going to hit this button. And down here, you want to make sure that your camera's on and that your microphone is on so that I can see you and hear you. I hope that helps. Thanks for doing all this. I appreciate it so much. Have a great day.